Forgetting even one critical item after 65 doesn't just inconvenience you, it can ruin your entire cruise. Suddenly, you're paying outrageous ship prices or doing without something you rely on every single day, and by the time you realize it, you're already at sea. So how do veteran cruisers pack perfectly after 30-plus years without overpacking? On today's episode of Cruiser Pro, we're revealing the 10 essentials that separate prepared cruisers from stressed ones. Let's dive in, starting with number 10. And trust me, even experienced travelers forget this one. Number 10. Card games and entertainment. Cruise ships have endless activities. But here's what nobody tells you. Entertainment gets repetitive fast. Veteran cruisers always pack a cribbage board, 5 crowns, and a deck of cards on every single cruise. The signature Sea Day move? A competitive card game in the atrium while everyone else fights for pool chairs. The genius part? Travel-sized game sets take almost no luggage space. Ships rarely stock specialty games, so if you want anything beyond basic cards, you're out of luck. Pro tip, use a small drawstring bag for your games. Keeps cards from scattering across your cabin during rough seas. Onboard phrase, we brought our own games. Want to join us? Zero cost, hours of entertainment, but wait until you see what's next. Number 9. Over-the-counter medications. Here's the reality. Onboard pharmacies charge absolutely insane prices. We're talking $15 for cold medicine you'd pay $3 for at home. Smart cruisers pack a complete kit. Cold medicine, cough drops, zinc, sleep aids, pain relievers, and allergy meds. Why does this matter? Because respiratory infections and stomach bugs spread fast on ships. Having your own pharmacy kit means you won't waste hours hunting for medicine in foreign ports when you're already feeling miserable. Pro tip. Pack extras of your prescription meds, too. Cruise delays happen more than you think. Onboard phrase, do you have any motion sickness medicine? Don't forget the basics. Now, here's where it gets interesting. Number 8. Liquid hand soap and sanitizer. Some cruise lines only provide tiny bar soap that turns to mush after one shower. Experienced cruisers grab a small bottle of liquid hand soap from the dollar store before every trip. It costs almost nothing, and you can leave it for the cabin steward when you disembark. Cruise ships are floating germ factories. Norovirus, stomach bugs, respiratory infections, they spread fast in confined spaces. Keep sanitizer accessible 24/7 and carry disinfectant wipes everywhere you go. Pro tip. Travel-sized sanitizing wipes are lifesavers on excursions when public restrooms don't have soap. Onboard phrase, just say, "Can I grab a wipe?" Bar soap doesn't cut it anymore. And this next one genuinely surprised me. Number 7. Variety of bags. Veteran cruisers are famous for bringing multiple bags, and for good reason. Pack a fanny pack, a crossbody, an evening purse, a foldable drawstring bag, and an empty duffel for shopping. Different situations demand different bags. Port excursions need secure crossbodies. Evening dinners need small purses. Beach days need drawstrings. And that empty duffel? It's a secret weapon for avoiding $50 overweight baggage fees when you shop too much. Bonus hack, use packing cubes or e-bags to keep clothes perfectly organized. Drop the whole cube in your drawer. No unpacking required. Pro tip, bring sandwich baggies too. They protect cash and phones from water damage by the pool. Onboard phrase, I brought an extra bag, you can borrow it. The bag strategy is brilliant. Wait until you see this next essential. Number 6. Cash and small bills. Most people think cruise ships are cashless. Wrong. You'll need cash for terminal porters, exceptional bartender tips, tour guides, and end-of-cruise gratuities for your stateroom attendant and dining staff. Veteran cruisers know most ports except US dollars. So skip the foreign exchange lines. Focus on $1, $5, and $20 for tips and quick purchases. And those onboard ATMs? Expect $5 to $7 withdrawal fees. Pro tip, keep small bills in a separate zippered pouch. It prevents flashing large amounts in crowded ports. Onboard phrase, I've got cash for the tip. How much should we leave? Get your cash before boarding. Now we're hitting the essentials nobody talks about. But before that, do me a quick favor and hit that like button and hit subscribe. It costs you nothing, but it helps Cruiser Pro reach more smart travelers like you. Now, the top 5 items ahead could literally save your entire vacation. Number 5. Magnetic hooks. Experienced cruisers resisted these for years until they became total converts. Now, most bring 6 to 8 strong magnetic hooks on every trip. Cabin walls are magnetic, which means you suddenly have hidden storage everywhere. Use hooks for hats, bags, light jackets, and towels, anything that causes clutter. Cabin space is tiny, especially on older ships, so every inch counts. Some cruisers claim they don't need these until they're juggling wet swimsuits and jackets in a 150 square foot room. Pro tip, test your hooks on your fridge before cruising. Weak magnets fall and can damage belongings. Onboard phrase, these magnetic hooks are lifesavers. Where'd you get them? Hooks save your sanity, but this next one is a little controversial. Number 4, roll of duct tape. Stuff breaks on cruises. Suitcases rip, zippers fail, straps snap, tags fall off. Veteran cruisers have sworn by duct tape for decades. It's patched torn luggage, secured items during rough seas, and even rescued clothing right before formal night. Cruise shops don't sell duct tape. Neither do most port cities. If you need it, you're out of luck. It won't save a destroyed suitcase, but it'll patch holes, secure handles, and buy you time until you can replace it. Pro tip, pack travel-sized rolls instead of full ones. You'll save space without losing function. Onboard phrase, do you have tape? I've got a luggage emergency. Duct tape fixes everything, and the next essential is surprisingly versatile. Number 3, chip clips and magnetic clips. Magnetic clips stick to cabin walls and solve a dozen problems. Smart cruisers use them for excursion tickets, immigration forms, cruise planners, and for hanging damp clothes. Seasoned travelers also use clips to seal curtains shut at night. When the ship rocks, blinds gap open, and morning light hits your eyes at 6 a.m., magnetic clips fix it instantly. Pro tip, bring larger towel clips for beach days. They stop your towel from flying away in the wind. Onboard phrase, I've got extra clips if you need to secure your curtains. Clips crush organizational chaos. Now the final 2, and these are non-negotiable. Number 2, your own pillow from home. Veteran cruisers who value good sleep never sail without their own pillow. Ship pillows are unpredictable. Some feel like bricks, others like pancakes. None match the comfort of home. Bad sleep ruins your entire next day. You're tired for excursions, irritable at dinner, and miss out on experiences you paid thousands for. Minimalist packers with room to spare always prioritize sleep over extra outfits. Pro tip, use a colored pillowcase so the cabin steward doesn't accidentally swap it. Onboard phrase, I brought my own pillow. Best cruise hack ever. Sleep dominates everything, and number 1 might just save you from a miserable night. Number 1, extra layers of clothing. Even on Caribbean cruises, smart travelers pack lightweight sweaters. Cruise ship air conditioning is strong. Dining rooms, theaters, and atriums can feel like freezers. Nobody wants to shiver through formal night or the late show. This becomes essential on Alaska, Norway, or Northern Europe cruises. Weather shifts fast. Temperatures drop without warning. You don't want to be stuck in a t-shirt when that glacier wind hits. Pro tip, pack a compact rain jacket that folds small. It's perfect for both chilly evenings and unexpected rain. Onboard phrase, good thing I brought layers. This dining room is freezing. Layers save you from miserable evenings. Everything else is optional. Which one are you packing first? Let me know down in the comments. I love hearing what veteran cruisers swear by. And if you haven't seen yet the biggest cruise mistakes that can cost travelers thousands, check out this video next. See you there.